In this video, we'll be reviewing the top heat guns available, discussing their features and specifications, and helping you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of heat guns. Best overall. The Seacone 1800W heat gun is a versatile and powerful option for heavy-duty applications. It has a wide temperature range and dual airflow settings and is comfortable to hold and easy to use. It comes with a stand for hands-free operation and a variety of diffuser nozzles. However, the cord is shorter than some other models, and the stand for cooling or hands-free operation points the hot end of the gun straight up, making it more cumbersome to use. Overall, it is a great option for anyone looking for a high-performance heat gun. For the current pricing of this product, click the link provided in the video description below. Best value. The Wagner Spraytech HD 1000 heat gun is a cost-effective solution for those in need of a heat gun for occasional use. With 2 temperature settings and 2 blower settings, this tool offers versatility in its operation. Though it may not come with any additional accessories or boast ergonomic features, it still features a standard length cord and an integrated hanging loop for storage. Overall, it's a solid choice for those looking for a heat gun that won't break the bank. To access the most recent price of this product, click the link in the video description below. Plenty of Nozzles. The Prolden 2190 is a versatile heat gun that comes equipped with a variety of nozzles for different projects. Its pistol grip style design and integrated stand and handguard make it easy to use, and it is well suited for bigger tasks such as paint stripping and bolt loosening. However, it has a limited range of temperature and airflow settings, and its higher heat output may not be ideal for delicate crafts. Despite this, the N2190 offers good value for its price and is a solid choice for those looking for a heat gun with multiple nozzle options. The current pricing for this product can be found by clicking the link in the video description below. Another option to consider. The Black Plus Decker HD 1300 is a heat gun that aims to provide users with a convenient and comfortable experience. It has dual temperature settings and a molded plastic grip to make it easy to hold. Additionally, the integrated fold-out stand allows for hands-free use, and the 6 feet power cord is long enough for most projects. However, the HD 1300 does have some downsides that may make it less appealing to some users. For example, it lacks any nozzles or diffusers, the stand is not very stable, and the switch is not very user-friendly. While it is still capable of getting the job done, there may be other heat guns on the market that offer more value and a better overall experience for the user. To discover the current price of this product, follow the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tech content. See you next time.